Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Honda TRX450R. This is the electric start version, liquid cooled 450 quad. A lot of nice upgrades. It's got the Nerf bars, some running lights, upgraded steering, wheels, and best of all, brand new tires. Maybe not best of all, it's got an Evo exhaust. Wait till you hear that. It's got a high performance piston. This bike is in fantastic condition. Come on by, make your Honda Sport Quad dreams come true for just $64.99. It's probably a cash bike. We might have some financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.